Embarking on the educational journey, both teachers and students thrive in environments that are structured, clear, and well organized. Effective classroom organization transcends mere aesthetics, reaching deep into the realms of productive learning, reduced distractions, and elevated educational experiences. But what actually constitutes an effectively organized classroom? And how can you attain it using various classroom organization tools? Today I'm sharing some tools that made this possible in my own classrooms. Stay tuned. Hey there, educational rock stars. Welcome back to another episode of One Classroom Over. My mission is simple: to equip you with actionable tips, transformative stories, effective classroom systems, and expert insights for your K-5 classroom. I'm Farah, also known as the Center Fairy, your go-to guide for all things for simplifying your teacher life. Each episode dives deep into key facets of the teaching experience, from lesson planning and classroom management to student engagement and professional growth. If you're new here, make sure you hit that like and that subscribe button and click that bell so that you never miss out when I go live or drop a video here on the channel. Today, we're diving into the topic of classroom organization, so whether you're sipping coffee at home or binge watching while you prep lessons, crank up the volume and get ready for a dose of inspiration and empowerment. Let's dive in. Effective classroom organization refers to the strategic arrangement and management of the physical and digital learning space to optimize learning and minimize disruptions. This involves a meticulously planned layout, easily accessible materials, clear instructional pathways, and a manageable digital workspace. A well-organized classroom promotes seamless transitions between activities, boosts student engagements, and maximizes instructional time, thus laying a solid foundation for a robust learning experience. You can cultivate an organized classroom by combining innovative strategies with effective tools tailored to meet your specific needs and challenges. By integrating both physical and digital organizational tools, you can create spaces that cater to diverse learning styles, streamline your administrative tasks, and ultimately foster an environment where teaching and learning flourish symbiotically. Let's first look at the benefits of using classroom organizational tools. An organized classroom is synonymous with a well-oiled machine, where each cog, wheel, lever works harmoniously to propel educational endeavors forward. Here, students navigate their learning journey with clarity and focus, while you steer the educational ship, devoid of unnecessary administrative encumbrances. The right classroom organizational tools do not only streamline this process, but they enhance it, crafting spaces that are conducive to active, engaged, and enriched learning. Employing classroom organizational tools brings forth a plethora of advantages, such as improved time management, reduced anxiety, enhanced focus, and bolstered student autonomy. As educational pathways become clearer and more accessible, students navigate their learning with increased confidence and independence, while you gain more time to dedicate to instructional activities, student support, and innovative teaching practices. When it comes to tangible organization, several tools have proven to be indispensable in keeping my own classrooms orderly and functional. First, iris boxes for organizing centers and ensuring that materials are easily accessible and securely stored. Second, utilizing a rolling cart keeps my teacher copies neatly arranged and effortlessly mobile. Next, pant hangers. I know, crazy, huh? Pant hangers offer a creative solution for storing and displaying anchor charts without consuming wall space. Then there's those poly zipper pouches. These can safeguard manipulatives and supplies, ensuring that they are orderly and easy to locate. One of my favorite classroom organizational tools was magnetic rods to display anchor charts directly on my whiteboard for easy reference during lessons. Then there were ceiling hooks. These introduce vertical storage solutions, and it maximizes space and efficiency in your classroom. And then there is the beloved Teacher Toolbox that acts as a central hub for all essential teaching supplies, streamlining your daily routines and having all the little things you need at hand. These are just a few of my favorites. Now, all the links to these are going to be in the description for you to check out as well. Now, in the digital realm, I often grappled with managing resources, schedules, and online interactions. Several digital tools have risen to the top, aiding me in navigating through the virtual educational landscape effectively. First, Google Chrome tab organization. Oh, this is a lifesaver. Juggling numerous tabs can be a familiar struggle for so many, but Chrome's built-in tab management features, such as grouping and pinning tabs, facilitate smoother online navigation, minimizing distractions, and enhancing your productivity. Then there's Google Keep. This is a versatile note-taking and task management application that allows you to create, access, and manage notes and checklists, which is perfect for those common daily routines. By utilizing labels, color codes, and reminders, you can streamline common routines, manage tasks, and ensure that vital information is always at your fingertips. Now, Seesaw is often thought of as just for the little kids, but even with my older students, this was my go-to for student portfolios. It offers a student-driven digital portfolio solution that allows students to showcase their work and learning journey. You can organize, review, and assess student submissions, fostering a collaborative and reflective learning environment, while also keeping parents in the loop regarding their children's progress. These digital resources are just a few of my favorites. All the links will be in the description for you to check out. Check the links down below. Choosing effective classroom organizational tools involves a careful analysis of the unique needs and challenges and dynamics of your learning environment. Consider factors like the age group of your students, your curriculum demands, your physical space, and what technology you have access to. Tailor your selection not only to address current challenges, but anticipate those future needs, ensuring scalability and sustainability in your organizational approach. Now, once those tools have been selected, strategic implementation is paramount. Start with clear objectives and gradually integrate new tools, allowing both you and your students to adapt comfortably. Leverage professional development and training sessions to enhance proficiency and optimize utilization of those digital tools. Moreover, invite feedback and be flexible, adjusting your approach as needed to ensure the chosen tools continually serve their intended purpose effectively. Organizing a classroom, be it physical or virtual, is akin to crafting a stage where the educational symphony is performed. Each element, from the layout of your desks to the accessibility of digital resources, plays a vital role in harmonizing the flow of teaching and learning. Both tangible and digital classroom organizational tools serve as vital instruments in orchestrating this symphony, ensuring that you can conduct your lessons with grace and students can engage in their learning journey with clarity and confidence. Investing in thoughtful, strategic classroom organizational tools goes beyond mere administrative efficiency. I know, I love a good pen holder too. It really does pave the way for enhanced learning experiences where you are empowered in your instructional efforts and students are supported in their educational explorations. Yes, an organized classroom is a thriving classroom where potentials are realized, challenges are navigated with agility, and educational endeavors are pursued with vigor and joy. So as you embark on your journey towards a more organized, efficient, and vibrant learning environment with the right classroom organizational tools, I want you to share your experiences, challenges, and successes in the comments below. And make sure you join our community of educators over in the One Classroom Over Facebook group so that you can share the dynamics of your classroom organization. And together, let's build classrooms where every educator is empowered and every student thrives. Now, if you're looking for more tips, strategies, and simple systems to take back into your classroom to make your teacher life a little easier, check out the other videos on your screen. Thanks for watching, and keep being an educational rock star.